he's not signed to a brand. This isn't under Nike. This
No,
isn't,
that's my
this isn't
fully
under
funded by.
right. So
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
we don't want to
straight like
overlook
that.
that. So you fully funded your own brand. Talk about that, man.
Yeah, I fully funded my own brand. I had to find. I had to go through the process of finding the right manufacturer, produce the shoe, all that type. Did all the sampling. Went through the you feel me, the quality of the leather, genuine leather, because you know a lot of these sneakers that's they say they 100% leather. It's not 100% leather. You know what I'm saying? So my whole thing was like, all right, I gotta make, because I'm making some shoes. They gonna expect my to be like the ghetto version. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, nah, I'm finna give them the higher quality version. So I fully funded it myself. I did everything myself, me and my team, like a 2-3 person team, you know what I'm saying? It was an idea that that came up, we executed it, and we did it, and now I got my own shoes, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and they moving.
Young,
They moving.
yeah, for the ghetto with his whole thing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
part of it, I mean, obviously when you create your own shoe, you could call the shots on it. So you did a lot of give backs with those shoes, right? That's something
Yeah.
that, again, like people are not talking about that, but we see it, and so we wanted to highlight that. So you've been able to give it back to the people in the community, right?
Yeah, we gave, for the first drop, I went to give out shoes to the homeless, you know what I'm saying? And like a lot of brands, like, right, because you talk about brands and just company and business, like when you a fashion brand or a shoe brand, if you seen giving away shoes like that, it water downs the brand. It makes it
Devalues the
look
brand,
like,
yeah.
you feel me, devalues the brand and all this corporate America. But I'm like, bro, I'm from the streets, man. I'm selling shoes that cost $200. Sold out in 8 minutes. Y'all, I don't need y'all coolness. I don't need y'all stamp. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, bro, I'm giving back to people that don't get no attention. You know what I'm saying? So I did that for the homeless, and then I did it for the my second drop. I gave a pair of shoes to like 100 who was in jail doing life sentences, but they came home due to like laws changing like that. And it's somebody here, a movie producer, and he got this like he do God work all day. He get them type of people out of jail. His name's Scott Budnick. He a big movie producer. You feel me? He helped me put that together. So yeah, I do like that. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? The money gonna come.
Yeah.
Like I'm just trying to create a brand that represent the culture, and that, you feel me, that
Yeah.
people be like, nah, that's art.
So when you make something that's successful, the next thing is like, how do you duplicate it? And so what's the vision for the brand? Are more shoes coming? Like,
Oh yeah, more everything, all that. That's yeah. So with the shoes, the first year was like I was figuring it out. I didn't have no, like, I did everything on my own. So you know, you feel me? You gonna run into situations like, okay, I know not to do this again. Oh, you feel me? So
yeah.
you know,
What are some of those things you like? Damn, probably should. I'm not doing that the next time.
so just how you order shoes and flying them in versus shipping them on a boat. You feel me? It's a whole price. It's like $10 more each box type. You know what I'm saying? So if you doing 1,000 to 5,000 units and you flying them in, that's 10 more dollars you paying to fly them in versus shipping them. So really, what these big companies do, like Nike, you feel me? They be on a calendar to where they like a year ahead already. So they already making and ordering shoes that's gonna come out next year. You feel me? So it's like I had to learn all that, go through that, just be all the way thought out, planned out, you know what I'm saying, ahead of the curve. You save money like that. You save money, like everything just be better like that. You save money, you know what you're doing. Months ahead of it, you can start marketing it early, start gifting it out early, get the right people wearing it early, build the anticipation up, all that type of shit. So I had to learn about all that. The shoe game and the clothing is two different worlds. You know what I'm saying? I had to learn about that. A lot of was calling to put my shoes in a retail store, and but I'm like, nah. We not doing none of that. We on online only for the first year, because that's how I did the clothing brand. You you feel me, was like, nah, we ain't doing none of that. So it was just a lot I was learning about, you feel me, the whole shoe game. But yeah.
So let's talk about real estate. Speaking of Dave, I know